Hi creative friends, it's Lisa and Krista and welcome to our channel, Farmhouse Roscoe. Today we have 2 DIYs and they could be Valentine's Day or any time of the year. DIY number 1 is a 4-bottle wooden farmhouse centerpiece. We're going to start off by taping the bottom of 4 bottles that we got from Dollar Tree. We are going to remove the lids. We don't need them for this DIY. And then we're going to give the bottoms a coat of Mod Podge and a coat of chalk paint that we got from Dollar Tree. We're going to let the coat of Mod Podge dry before we put the chalk paint on, and then we're going to let that dry, and then we're going to remove the painter's tape from all 4 bottles. We're going to add 3 pieces of twine along the line of the black chalk paint on all 4 bottles. Sorry, but you could probably hear our little kitty, Miss Hazel, in the background trying to help us do voiceovers. Now we're going to work on our little wooden crate that we're going to put our bottles in. We're going to start with 2 of the planks from Dollar Tree and a pack of the large painter sticks from Home Depot. You can get those for like 98 cents. We're going to begin by gluing the 2 planks together with hot glue, and then we cut down 4 painter sticks the same size as the planks. Next, we're going to use hot glue and wood glue and glue 2 of the painter sticks on top of the wood planks. Next, we took a square dowel rod and we cut 4 pieces 4 inches long. Next, we're going to use wood glue and hot glue, and we're going to attach the 4-inch square dowel rods to each corner of the planks. Next, we're going to take a paint stick that we cut down, and we're going to use wood glue and hot glue, and we're going to attach it to the top of the wood square dowels. And then I decided to flip it over and add some nails into the square dowel so it would be a little more sturdy. And next I just took another paint stick and attached it to the other side, and then I cut 2 small paint sticks for the sides of the crate, and I just hot glued and wood glued them into place. Now I'm just going to give it a coat of white chalk paint. I only used 1 coat because I wanted to have a little bit of the wood grain show through. And next I just took some of the leftover chalkboard paint that I had, and I just distressed all around the crate. And all that was left to do was to put our wood bottles into the crate and add some lamb's ear that we got from Walmart, and then we added some roses that we got from Dollar General. They were 2 for $1. And here is how it turned out. I think for the spring I'm going to add some lilacs to it, and I can even use it into the fall and add some sunflowers. DIY number 2 is a simple farmhouse heart. This DIY is so simple to make. It only takes 4 items and it's super simple. We're just going to start by removing the tinsel from the heart. Next, we're going to take some bowl fillers from Dollar Tree, and we just use the white ones, but you could use any color that you liked. The little bowl fillers are made of foam, so they're real easy to just push onto the wire form, and we just did that until the whole heart was full. Once we put the last foam ball onto the heart, we just shoved the wire ends to hold the heart together and hot glued it into place. Next, we just took some twine and made a hanger, and we also took a galvanized heart from Hobby Lobby and hung it in the center. And here is how it turned out. I think it would be perfect for any time of year. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Today's positive quote is, "Today is a great day to learn something new." Creative friends, we believe in you and you're capable of amazing things. We have more videos to come. Until next time.